How to set up a kid-friendly laundry room. The goal here is to set up your laundry room so your kids can eventually take over the job. First, find a place for everything. Have a specific home for your stain removers, laundry detergent, dryer sheets, cleaning products, etc. Don't forget about containers for all the random stuff you find in pockets and for those lonely socks. Second, use labels. What feels obvious to you may not be clear to your family members. Add labels on each container so they know where to find something and where to put it back. Third, put things within reach. Make it easy for kids to get the essential supplies by putting them in easier to use containers. Decant a huge box of powdered detergent into a glass jar with a scoop. Consider placing the laundry detergent on a Lazy Susan on top of your washing machine. Attach clear adhesive containers to your wall or door with pods. Finally, make it easy. Make a cheat sheet with step-by-step instructions for how to do laundry in case they forget. Keep a magnetic timer in your laundry room so they can set it and take it with them. The time you spend training your kids to do their own laundry will pay off tenfold. Good luck.